Ajay.
Yes, long time.
Long time, matlab, how many years ago? I believe 2016.
16 or 17, I think you met.
2016 I left Kedila.
Yes, 9
Yeah.
years.
9 years.
Almost 10 years. 10
Almost
10
10
years.
years.
Decade.
Right. And although we were in touch,
Yeah.
but once I came to know about this book of yours,
Uh-huh.
and I was just carried away with the title, One Cup Without Sugar. So first of all, it is so catchy and it gives you a kind of excitement as to what it is about. Then आपने लिखा लीडरशिप के बारे में, then ये कैसे टाइटल कैसे ध्यान में आया आपके?
So title कैसा था सर कि like as we worked together
Hmm.
for quite some time and we had seen lot of leaders who coming and they were like creating some impact in your life.
Yeah.
So I realized that leadership is never sugar coated.
Okay.
It's always real.
हाँ.
And you will see most of the time in the chaos, you
Yeah.
will see leaders are emerging out.
Yeah.
So I thought, let me put a name which is very, very common,
Hmm.
and then we can relate to the essence of the book.
Correct.
So what I've done is I have put some compilation of stories,
Mhm.
some of my experiences
Okay.
in last 29 years of my career,
Mhm.
put into story. form.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 29th year.
29. And this is so relevant because there are many people who are sugar coated. Their language is very flowery.
Yeah.
But you will see the effectiveness of leadership comes when you are true and straight
Yes.
to your people,
Very true.
to your at least to your
Yes.
managers,
Yes.
to your HODs.
Yes.
Because these sugary things
Right.
don't work in long run. Not with leaders at least.
Exactly.
Once you're in customer care, then you are required to have kind of that approach. But
True.
very apt title for the leaders to
Thank you so
understand.
much. Thanks a lot. इनफैक्ट मैंने इसमें एक फ्रेमवर्क दिया है लीडरशिप का. आई कॉल इट आइस फ्रेमवर्क.
Ice framework.
आइस फ्रेमवर्क स्टैंड फॉर कि
I was waiting कि मैं ये book आपसे autograph book लूंगा.
Thank you so much. It's
So
my-
I didn't read, I didn't go through previews or anything. I kept on, going for it in LinkedIn. You had with it many people,
Yeah.
launching it. But I waited कि आप आओगे autograph करके दोगे.
Totally, it's my
I
privilege.
wanted to live those, our friendship
Yes.
days.
Yes. इनफैक्ट मैं सोच रहा था जब आऊंगा तो पर्सनली दूंगा. आई वुड हैव सेंड बाय पोस्ट. आई कुड मिल के बड़े भाई को देन सी मेनी few people have impacted you and you one of them. When I joined, I remember we had interaction on telephonic
Yes.
conversation.
Yes.
I told you also number of times that
Yeah.
you create some space, in somebody's life, you impact somebody.
Oh.
So I let me have the privilege to hand over with my hand.
Thank you. Yeah, you were saying some ice framework.
Yeah, I was talking ICE framework. So ICE is like actually I try to compile some competencies.
Okay.
क्योंकि आप देखोगे लीडरशिप क्या है कि इफ यू टाइप इन लीडरशिप इन गूगल एंड जस्ट पुट ए टैब यू विल सी 100 and 1000 ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. बट लीडरशिप का कुछ ट्रेड्स क्या हैं, तो मैंने इसको एक आइस फ्रेमवर्क बनाया.
Okay.
तो फर्स्ट आई, ईच लेटर हैज 3 कॉम्पिटेंसी. सो आई स्टैंड फॉर इंटीग्रिटी, इनोवेशन एंड इंक्लूसिविटी.
Integrity, innovation, and inclusivity. Wow.
Now, if you look at these 3 terms, you see lot of ज्ञान, lot of knowledge about it.
correct.
लेकिन हम अगर देखें तो इंटीग्रिटी क्या है?
Hmm.
इंटीग्रिटी है what I think, what I say, what I do.
Correct.
Alignment.
मनसावाचा कर्मा.
मन साझा करना.
Correct.
तो कुछ ऐसे लीडर्स मिले जिन्होंने जो बोला वही किया और जो वही they meant what they said.
हाँ.
तो उनके एग्जाम्पल्स इसमें डाले.
Wow.
इनोवेशन पे कुछ लीडर्स मिले जो कि दे वर अहेड ऑफ टाइम, दे यूज्ड टू पुश अस कि यू हैव टू डू समथिंग ग्रेट. उनके एग्जांपल डाले. और इंक्लूसिविटी में मेरे एक बॉस थे, टेवा में थे.
Okay.
तो ही टू से कि त्यागी 2 चीजों का ध्यान रखो.
Mm-hmm.
पहली चीज ये है कि जो हमारे जो कॉन्टेक्चुअल एम्प्लॉइज हैं
Mm.
उनकी सैलरी सबसे पहले आनी चाहिए.
Oh. Wow. So nice. Yeah.
एंड सेकंड इज कि जो हमारे वेंडर्स सप्लायर्स आते हैं दे शुड बी ट्रीटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट.
Absolutely.
मैंने कहा क्या बात है, इन बातों को कोई
ज्यादा नहीं देता.
महत्व नहीं देता, लेकिन
These are
कितनी बड़ी
ignored
बात है.
actually.
हाँ. फिर हमारी माइथोलॉजी में है ना कि अयम नीच परोविति गणना लघु चेतसाम
Okay.
उदार चरित नाम तो वसुदेव कुटुंबकम.
Hmm.
तो इंक्लूसिविटी तो हमारी जीन्स में है.
Yes.
वसुदेव कुटुंबकम.
I have my spiritual mentor.
या
So whenever we have a yajna,
या
a big yajna where you have got 5,000 people, 10,000 people,
राइट.
so they will start the meals, dinner or lunch, whatever. What they'll say, first of all, you call all the drivers.
हाँ.
Drivers should have the lunch first.
राइट.
And then that way there was a birthday event of my mentor.
ओके.
So we were in the Leelas.
Okay.
So there in the Leelas, the cake was cut by her, my Guruji.
अच्छा.
And then she said, no, I will not cut the cake. All the housekeeping boys of this hall should come with me and then we will cut it together. So ये जो आपने बताया ना कि जो इंक्लूसिविटी अगर हम वो अप्रोच रखें अपनी लीडरशिप वाली लाइफ में,
Right.
so truly I saw some reel on LinkedIn or something.
Yeah.
तो वो जो CEO का लास्ट डेट था,
हाँ.
the lift man was very sad. The way he was taken care by the CEO, the lift man,
हाँ.
that gave an example, right? What you are saying is very right. Grassroots से connected रहना, inclusivity करना, leadership का बहुत बड़ा quality.
Very true.
Nice.
क्योंकि हम कहते हैं ना कि वी शुड नॉट जस्ट रेस्पेक्ट द पोजीशन,
Yeah.
रेस्पेक्ट द पर्सन,
Correct.
है ना. और लोग हमसे इसलिए बात नहीं करते कि हम बहुत गुड लुकिंग हैं या एक्सपीरियंस हैं. लोग हमसे इसलिए बात करते हैं बिकॉज दे फील कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग टू अस. सो दैट्स द थॉट बिहाइंड इट. आई पुट सम स्टोरी इन दैट.
Yeah.
देन सी स्टैंड फॉर करेज,
Okay.
चेंज मैनेजमेंट
Okay.
and communication.
Communication.
How do you connect with people? How do you manage change? How do you show courage?
हाँ.
अब जैसे आप देखेंगे कॉर्पोरेट में मैनेजर्स को फीडबैक देना होता है किसी एम्प्लॉय
True.
को,
True.
तो दे फील अफ्रेड, उसको बुरा लग जाएगा या वो
Yes.
नाराज हो जाएगा या वो रिजाइन कर देगा. तो वो शुगर कोटेड बातें करते हैं, नहीं तो
हाँ.
आप प्रमोशन करा देंगे, चिंता मत करो.
मैंने तो रेटिंग दिया था. HR ने
HR ने check कर दिया.
This is the pain nowadays for all with all the managers.
Yes.
So to be true on the face of him or her
Correct.
and giving him the right feedback, जो courage है.
करेज है.
On the contrary, they believe in relationship management.
राइट.
इसको मैंने ये बोल दिया तो कल मेरा काम नहीं करेगा.
क्या करेगा?
काम नहीं करेगा तो you should have some other fellow developed.
वेरी ट्रू.
तो वो courage is very nice.
सो करेज की बात की है. और जो थर्ड ई है, ई अल्फाबेट, तो ई में आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट थ्री पार्ट्स. एम्पैथी. Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that's what I wrote in for you with it. May you build more empathetic leaders like you. So empathy is very important. Then emotional intelligence.
Wow.
How you manage emotions
Mhm.
under stress. How do you manage failures of the partner. And the third, you talk about execution.
Execute.
Execution.
Mhm.
ये अच्छी बात है, empathy भी है, लेकिन आप execute ही नहीं
Execute
कर
कर
रहे.
पाएंगे.
तो वो आपके अंदर कैपेबिलिटी है.
True.
So each of these have some reflections. आपने भी एक competency पढ़ी. It's like a one cup without sugar,
Yeah.
sip by sip.
Very nice.
I hope you like this book.
Yeah, of course. I am so thankful to Ajay. Ajay and I had a very great time in our earlier assignments in Catilla. But we enjoy great chemistry,
Yeah.
great rapport.
Yeah.
And I think all these things cannot be, explained over screen.
Yeah.
So maybe off screen we will discuss more.
But I think our chemistry can be felt in the screen also.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Paramai.
Thank you,
so much.
thank you.
Thank you so much.